How to link your YouTube channel to TikTok after new update. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type TikTok. Now click on search. Now tap on TikTok and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile. Now tap on edit profile. Now on this page you will find different options. Simply tap on links. Next to links you will find an option for add. Tap on it. Now click on YouTube. Now wait for some time. Now select your Google account. Now scroll down and tap on continue. Now that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.